Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file W-2 employer forms. We'll cover the essential steps for employers to accurately prepare and submit these crucial tax documents. You'll learn about gathering necessary employee information, understanding key deadlines, and choosing the correct filing methods. This guide aims to simplify the process, ensuring compliance and avoiding common pitfalls. Let's get started on making your W-2 filing smooth and stress-free. To accurately complete Form W-2, you'll need specific details for each employee. This includes their full name, current address, and social security number. You must also meticulously record all wages, tips, and other compensation paid throughout the year. Don't forget to document federal, state, and any local income taxes withheld, along with any retirement plan contributions or other benefits provided. Accuracy here is absolutely key. Employers have two primary methods for filing W-2 forms, electronically or by mail. Electronic filing through the Social Security Administration's business services online is often preferred for its efficiency. If mailing paper forms, ensure they go to the correct IRS address. Remember, you must distribute employee copies of Form W-2 by January 31st, and the employer copies must also be filed with the SSA by January 31st. Avoiding errors in W-2 filing saves time and prevents potential penalties. Always double-check every Social Security number and verify all wage and tax withholding amounts before submission. Maintaining thorough records for at least 3 years is a crucial best practice. For larger businesses, or to streamline the process, consider utilizing dedicated payroll software, which can significantly reduce the chance of mistakes and simplify compliance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.